Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about the proper foot placement for gas and brake pedals. This will be an easy driving lesson for beginners, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the footwell of my vehicle. We have the gas pedal over here and the brake pedal over here. The gas pedal or accelerator pedal is used to make the car go, and the brake pedal is used to make the car stop, okay? Now with the obvious stuff out of the way, let's get into the foot placement. Now, as you can see, I'm wearing socks and sandals, and you might be wondering why. Well, I wanted to give you the best view of where my foot was, so I chose to put on some white socks. But if I was to only wear my socks, that wouldn't be a realistic foot positioning because I drive with shoes usually. So instead, I have my white socks showing for contrast in color, and then I have my sandals for realistic foot placement as if I was wearing shoes. So to give you the best of both worlds, this is how we're doing the video. So as you can see right here, the number one thing to remember is that you have to plant your heel on the ground. You can see when I'm pushing the gas pedal right here, my heel is planted on the ground. When I move to the brake pedal, my heel is planted on the ground as well. You don't want to ever drive like this, because it gives you less control. If I was to drive like this, I would have very little control over the vehicle. So you want to make sure your heel is on the ground. That gives you a pivot point, as you can see right there. Your heel acts as a pivot point when it is planted on the ground. In addition, if you have feet that are longer than mine, you might be able to get away with keeping your foot here and controlling the gas and the brake pedal. But because my feet are relatively smaller or average size, I would say, I like to think they're average size, basically I need to move my foot. So when I drive, I have my foot on the brake like this, and then when I want to transfer over to the gas, I move my foot slightly like that. And then I will use the gas pedal. When I'm ready to brake, I move my foot slightly again. Now here's a key factor. In this vehicle, and in many vehicles, your gas pedal is going to be further recessed into the footwell than your brake pedal. Meaning you can't go straight across or you're going to hit the brake pedal like this on the side. So that's also why I move my foot, because when I'm pressing the gas, I move my foot and I bring it further back, and then I'm able to push the brake pedal. Once again, I don't have to move it back as much when I'm going from brake to gas because the gas is further recessed. But from gas to brake, I move my foot and I bring it further back to get to the brake pedal like that. So that's basically it. If I'm, driving down the street, going down the street to get to the brake pedal, I go like that. And then if I'm stopped and I want to start accelerating, I just go like that. That's it. That is the best way to show you and describe the foot pedal positioning, the foot positioning for the pedals. Sorry about that. I guess these are foot pedals technically. But in addition, the last thing that I wanted to talk about was the fact that my foot is at an angle. I'm not going straight like this and straight like that. That's not how I drive. It might be because I walk with my feet outwards, but I have them outwards like that because I'm using my right foot. I have it pointed slightly outwards like that. It's not straight like that because my leg just doesn't feel right when I do that. It's sort of like this on an angle. So you want to be comfortable. Go at an angle that makes you feel comfortable. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.